How to share Android screen to another Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now type A Power Mirror. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this application. Now install this application on both of your devices. Now wait for some time. Now after installing the app, simply tap on open. Now open the application on both of your devices. Now tap on skip at the top right corner. Now give the permissions. Now tap on localcast. Also make sure to connect both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. Now once you find the device, tap on the device and give all the permissions to start screen sharing. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.